Hello, Cameron Sheeler at R&B Car Company, South Bend here. Behind me stands a prime example of the 2021 Ford Mustang GT with only 4,200 miles. In 2021, the GT version of this car features a 460 horsepower 5.0 liter Coyote V8. The car was available in a 6-speed manual or 10-speed automatic transmission, which is exactly what I'm sharing with you today. The 10-speed is quicker to 60, taking only 4.3 seconds to achieve and a stunning 12.6 seconds in the quarter mile, straight out of the factory. Best of all, I can drive this version. I would have to assume this example may be a little quicker with those brand new gorgeous wider SVE 19-inch wheels sitting on 285/35 ZR19 Michelin Super Pilot Sport tires. I can say for sure with the oversized brake kit, it will stop on a dime. Maybe comfort is your style while hearing all those ponies roar. How about some comfortable custom leather interior, ambient lighting in the cabin that can change to your favorite color, a big touchscreen with navigation, Apple Android or CarPlay, adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assistant, blind spot indication, adjustable steering modes, and the exclusive Ford Pass that allows you to start and locate your car anywhere from the comfort of your smartphone for free. All that stuff is fine and dandy, but my favorite feature must be the active valve performance exhaust. From on the track to pulling into your neighborhood, this car will allow you to adjust the decibels of the exhaust. Me? Well, I prefer to wake the neighborhood with a set to track mode. For more information on this Mustang, just stop by R&B Car Company in South Bend at the roundabout on South Michigan Street in Chippewa, or give us a call at 574-299-4838 today. You can also check this car out and many more at rnbcarcompany.com. Enjoy your day.